If you have pending transfers on Kraken and want to resolve them, follow these simple steps to ensure your transactions are processed smoothly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. Here, you can view the status of your pending transfers and identify any that require attention. Step 2. Review transfer details. Click on the specific pending transfer to view its details. Check for any error messages or alerts that may indicate why the transfer is pending, such as insufficient funds or incorrect wallet addresses. Step 3. Confirm transaction requirements. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact support if necessary. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with the details of the pending transfer and any error messages you encountered for assistance. Step 5. Monitor the transfer. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on the transfer status. It may take some time for the transaction to process, so be patient and check back regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Kraken efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.